Hi, everybody. Welcome to Creative Pouring. I'm Cheryl. Today, I've got my Let's Resin little keychain hole molds, and my daughter gave these to me for a combined Mother's Day birthday present. What we're going to do today is this chrome powder. It's bluish green, and this is Let's Resin Gold. I've mixed some in here nice and opaque. And I've mixed the gold as well, but not as opaque. I'm going to be doing these 4 right here. And let's get started. These 2 are just going to be a solid color. Not very thick, because I'm going to put a sticker on them. Some UVDTF stickers I just got. You'll see later. But let's go ahead and let these flatten out. Those are pretty colors. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set these sticks aside. And I'm going to turn this into a dirty pour. So we're going to go teal, gold, teal, gold, okay, let's see how this is going to work out. And I have a tiny bit of nice and goopy. Pour that in there in the center. This is the thing I use to mix it in. Now I'm just going to take a stick and I'm just going to go around it on all of them. Get all those bubbles maybe out of there. Okay, now this one I'm going to kind of go and see what happens. All right, we'll let that sit there and let it do its thing. And I will be back when this is ready for its next layer, which will be the sticker. Okay, see you then. All right, those turned out pretty. Well, I've picked out my stickers that I'm going to put on them. I've got eagles with American flags. Since 4th of July is coming up, you know how to work UVDTFs if you've been watching me for any length of time. You pull the backing off and you place it with the sticker how you want it. And you have one shot to lay it down. There we go. Push it all down real good. And then lift the protective seal, protective piece up. Slowly but gently, so you don't pull the design back up off. Which it can happen. I've done that before. Pieces of the design anyway. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Bald eagle. Just got to remember to do these upside down. Come on. And this is like right on the edge. But there we go. Come on, stay down. Okay, that'll work. That little bitty piece came up from where the thing was. It's fun doing these upside down. I don't know why I'm doing them upside down. I should be doing them right side up. Okay, let's see. Put you right there. A little bit of the wings may be cut off on this one, but that'll be all right. Stars didn't stay. I don't know what. I think that was an accident. There's like a little blue piece on here that I think is not supposed to be on here. I'll get it off in a minute. Might have come from the wings. And hold your piece down as you're pulling it off, because if you don't, it will come up. It'll come out of the mold will come out. I mean, your piece will come out of the mold. See if there's a little piece on there that you don't need, just scrape it on up. There we go. Okay. I just got these stickers off Temu. And boy, are they pretty. I've got more of them, so. Oh, look at that. Oh, that gold sets this one off. There we go. If you find that something's still left on the sticker, all you have to do is push it back down and scratch it like I did. This one might be a little small, a little bit big for that, but they're the smallest ones I've got. Let's see. Wow. I like these eagles. They are so pretty. Okay, I'm going to mix up some resin and I'm going to pour it on top of here. And I will be back to you as soon as that's done. Already got that mixed up. It's got a lot of bubbles in it. I mixed it by hand because it's such a small amount. But I've got my long neck lighter over there that I can use, or I've got a heat gun, and I've got isopropyl alcohol. So it just depends on what I feel like using at the time, because you can use all of those to get bubbles out. Look at that. Wow, that looks so pretty. And it's such a thin layer. And just take your little scry or little tool and just go around the edges like that. In case there's any bubbles in the edge, you can dislodge them. I need to put more in here for sure. In all of them, actually. All right, let's get some more in there. I'm going to give them a few minutes for the bubbles to rise. Hit it with my long neck lighter. And I will be back once these are cured. Okay, it's time to demold. That turned out, or at least turned out pretty. Got a little bit of overpour on this one, but that ain't no big deal. I put them in my curing machine, which is not always a good idea, because if you notice on this one right here, it's got a little dent right there. Yeah. So we don't want to heat it up too far. On this one, I'm just going to cut it. Just going to grab a pair of these scissors and slice it. I didn't want it to go flying. And I will clean that up. That turned out pretty. Love that one. That one turned out the best, I think. I might do a quick coat of UV resin on top of these, where some of them are got a little blip, but it won't take long. That one's got a crease going down it, dang it. Well, it'll be all right. So now we know, do not put UVDTF stickers in the curing machine because they will mess up. I'm going to get some pictures of these after I get the top coat on it and turn them into keychains. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this pour as much as I did. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Until next time, keep creating and keep pouring. Bye for now.